another level with a yeah. With a life with some music, you can't refuse when your body starts moving to it. This is renegade music, sick freak type of shit on another level with it. With a life with some music, you can't refuse when your body starts moving to it. Whoa, yeah, this is renegade music, sick freak type of shit on another level with it. Make some noise, y'all. Right now, the planet is run by a bunch of fucking pedophile men. This song is their answer, and it's called Crazy World. You remember me, dressed in a mask like a varsity. You know, just wherever it has to be, like a Will Smith, Chris Rock catastrophe. They could just get bitty, an Ice Cube, they call it out P. Diddy, and that's one head of a fall from the top. Look around, celebrities, they drop. It's a crazy world. Yeah, it's a crazy world. Wow, yeah, it's a crazy world. Hide in your mansion like Jack and Messi. It's a crazy world. Celebrity explosion. Yo, get your hands up. Get your hands up to the top. What comes around, comes around. What goes up must come down. And when you hear that sound, smoke in the sky, earthquakes in the ground. And where I'm at, Hollywood's on fire. Everyone's a pedo, goddamn liar. The media's out there to find them. From the white suit parties, FCI and Kanye, on the Midwest. Neo and Spacey were down on that list. Some of these things we could not believe, except Prince Andrew that we could see. Oh, it's a crazy world. Yeah, it's a crazy world. Wow, yeah, it's a crazy world. Hide in your mansion like Jack and Messi. It's a crazy world. Celebrity explosion, damn, it's over. Tilburg, I wanna know one thing, yo. We're not come all this way to not see a little bit or what? Come on, open this shit up. Let's get real to it. Don't chicken out. It's time to lose, and your time not mine. When that smoke clears, you're in that firing line. It's time to lose, and your time not mine. It's like Russian roulette, and the bullets fly. Brace yourself for the fall, motherfucker, go! Yeah! For the fall, motherfucker, yeah! Alright! It's a crazy world! It's a crazy world! Wow, yeah! It's a crazy world! Yeah! It's a crazy world! Wow, yeah! It's a crazy world! I didn't imagine the death of medicine they are! It's a crazy world! Celebrity explosion, damn it's something! Thank you! Yo, planet Earth, get your hands up! Everybody, unity, get their hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Side to side! Hands up! Side to side! Get your hands up! Side to side! We turn this motherfucker to a hip-hop vibe! Get your hands up! Side to side! Get your hands up! Keep that shit going! Keep it going! Side to side! Hey yo! We're coming back over this way in November! We hope you motherfuckers you keep to come and see us headline this shit! Okay. Until then, yo. Who's looking forward to a bit of fucking body count? Speaking of that US noise, do you people want to see us fuck up Cypress Hill right now? I said, do you people want to see us fuck up Cypress Hill? We did a team with Fever Tree. some noise. Hey, yo. We want to do one thing now, from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you very much to everybody who watched us and came early. Make some noise for yourselves, supporting new music. We'll be back real soon. Like I said, November, we'll see you on our headline tour. Until then, enjoy Body Count. We've been that band you heard about, BlackGold. This song is called Boogeyman.
Can I get a minute to breathe in? And I've slept for a while, and I mean it's not just a line in a song with a popular culture, but a prayer surrounded by vultures. Yeah, I cease to exist in the dark like critters in the mist. Hard to define all the curves of the lines in the road when you can't see the signs and you can't look back. Their problem's not me. Their problem's not me. Their problem's not me. All the power in the world, but still you cannot see. Y'all remember my eyes like I'm a motherfucking boogeyman. I can see through your lies, I'm a motherfucking boogeyman. Remember my eyes like I'm a motherfucking boogeyman. I can see through your lies, I'm a motherfucking boogeyman.
Last time, let me fucking hear you, Tilburg!
Never been afraid of the dark, till I'm part this mass in the stars. I've been stressed out, and left out, lost in the city in a blackout. Ooh, who's there? Goddamn, I feel like the rhythm of John Recipes. Summertime, me at 6 back in the Vietnam War. Nah, it's just jokes, I'm burning hell like I burn my toast. I'm Jekyll, you're Hyde, when we sleep, you and I's right by your side. You ask what for, little bitch gonna kick it down front doors. That could be motherfucker, it's me with a chainsaw. Y'all remember my eyes like I'm a motherfucking boogeyman. I can see through your lies, I'm a motherfucking boogeyman. Y'all remember my eyes like I'm a motherfucking boogeyman. I can see through your lies, I'm a motherfucking boogeyman. Come on, Tilburg, last chance. I hear the devil's got your foot and he ain't losing grip. Enjoy your trip to Satan's hollow, bitch. I hear the devil's got your foot and he ain't losing grip. Enjoy your trip to Satan's hollow, bitch.
Everybody on your feet! Bounce, 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 bounce,
Y'all remember my eyes like I'm a motherfucking boogeyman. I can see through your lies, I'm a motherfucking boogeyman. Y'all remember my eyes like I'm a motherfucking boogeyman. I can see through your lies, I'm a motherfucking boogeyman.
Like I said, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Look out to one another. Enjoy Body Count. We'll be back real soon. And get them hands up. We want to remember this moment.